hanging in the sky. Won't you look down on what's happening here below? I stand here singing to the flowers that many people really know. And who's gonna be the one to say it was no good what we done? I dare a man to say I'm too young. I'm gonna try for the sun. We stood in the windy city, the gypsy boy and I. We stepped on the breeze in the midnight, with the raindrops and tears in our eyes. Who's gonna be the one to say it was no good what we done? I dare a man to say I'm too young. I'm gonna try for the sun. I'm gonna try for the sun. Thank you very much indeed, and hi there to Philias and also to Chris. I'm sorry I didn't notice that you'd come in, and lovely to see you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's have a... I apologise, Nan, for getting your name wrong. The small L does look like an I, actually. You're right. So it's Nan L. Okay, I appreciate you letting me know. And I'll certainly do your request for you. Happily so. This is actually one of my favourite early Beatles songs. It's a beautiful little song, and I remember hearing it for the first time when I was very, very young. I loved it, I really did. It's called I'll Follow the Sun, talking about suns. So we're going to try for the sun as well as follow the sun. One day you'll look to see I'm gone, for tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. Someday you'll know I was the one, for tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time has come, so my love, I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you will know. Oh, 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 oh. One day you'll find I have gone, for tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. Yes, tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time has come, so my love, I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you will know. Oh, 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 oh. One day you'll find I have gone, for tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. For tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. There we are. I managed it. And lovely request, thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed to Nan and to Wolf and to Unda for your very kind and generous tips. I really appreciate that very much indeed. In a tiny piece of coloured glass, my love was born. Reds and golds and yellows were the colours of the dawn. Night pulled on its purple cloak of velvet in the sky, and the gulls were wheeling and spinning on Jersey Thursday. A tiny piece of coloured glass, my love was born. Reds and golds and yellows were the colours of the dawn. Night pulled on its purple cloak, velvet in the sky, and the gulls were wheeling and spinning on Jersey Thursday. And the gulls were wheeling and spinning on Jersey Thursday. Was brillig and the slithy toves did guide and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the borogroves and the mombroths outgrabe. Beware the jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the jub bird and shun the frumious bandersnatch. He took his four-ball sword in hand, long time the manxome foe he sought, and rested he by the tom-tom tree, and stood a while in thought. and as in uffish thought he stood, the Jabberwock, with eyes aflame, came whiffling through the tulgey wood, and burbled as it came. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through and through. The vorpal blade went snicker-snack. He left it dead, and with its head he went galumphing back. Galumphing. Galumph. 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 And hast thou slain the Jabberwock? Come to my arms, my beamish boy. Oh, frabjous-day, calucale, he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the bogoves, and the mumroths outgrabe, and the mumroths outgrabe, and the mumroths outgrabe. Thank you very much. A little poem there from Lewis Carroll, from Alice Through the Looking Glass. The Jabberwock. Going home. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Little Stream, and Tiana, thank you very much indeed, and Unda and everybody for your very kind tips. Okay, back to a guitar with normal tuning now. Here's a lovely little song by a band called The Incredible String Band. They were a Scottish psychedelic band way back in the 1960s, and they've been playing ever since. It's called Painting Box, and it has a lovely chorus in it. Somewhere in my mind